In this video, we'll talk about a very important tool in Google AdWords. What we have, that is your negative keyword list. So we know that, okay, we have previously studied this concept of negative keyword match type, where if you don't want any particular word or a phrase, okay, then you can put that thing in the negative match, and if the same word or a phrase comes in the search query, your ad won't get triggered. So the same concept we have covered previously in our negative keyword match. So in this, what we do, so we keep on giving negative words to refine the, let's say, things, getting it, so that our ad should reach the right audience. Okay. So now under this tools and settings, we have a tab over here, negative keyword list. So as I previously told you, this is all at account level. So what will be things we will learn over here? This will be, let's say, created, or let's say, a planned at account level. Now what I'm doing over here, this negative keyword list. So I'm planning this negative keyword list at account level for any campaign. Okay, for any campaign, if they have any words, what I'll be adding over here, this words comes in a search query, ad won't get triggered. So for example, I've previously added one list over here, let's say LDA. Under that we have added two words, download and free. Okay, so these two words comes in a search query, download and free, then don't trigger my ad. That's what I'm informing to Google. And for this is for any campaign, I don't have to choose a select, let's say, a selective campaigns as well. You can do that as well. For example, you want to add this to a selective campaigns, you can add that as well. For example, let's say apply to campaigns, choose the campaigns to whom you want to apply and go for done. Okay, so let me first teach you how to create a list. If you go to the plus sign, add all the negative keywords over here. Okay, so in a broad match or maybe in a phrase match, whatever it is, add all the keywords over here. Let's say if I want to add, let's say, download, okay, or maybe let's say now online, or let's say free course. We're not giving free courses, right? So this kind of keywords we don't want. If people are searching this kind of keywords, don't trigger my ad. Okay, I'm gonna save this. And now if you want, you can choose the match type. If you want to change the match type of any keyword, you can do that as well from here itself. And then once it is ready, you can select this. Okay, you want to put it, for example, you want to put it on a campaign, you can go for apply to campaigns and choose the campaign. So I have already applied to all the campaigns, getting it. So this is how your negative keyword list works at account level. Okay, add all the keywords in the list, and then if you want to apply to a particular campaign, you can apply that as well, or you can select all the campaigns as well. Okay, so this is how your negative keyword list works at account level. So I hope the concept is very clear. Okay, and this is a very important thing from the perspective of your, for example, if you're looking for more, let's say, targeted audience, then you should know how to add keywords in negative keyword list. Thank you.